What's up guys, welcome back to another unboxing video. For this unboxing video, we have vz101916, which is a conversion kit. Now, if you have a regular Jeep Grand Cherokee, you'll need this conversion kit to turn it into an SRT. And then you can go ahead and install the fender flares, which is vz101924. And that also comes with the front lip as well. Now, 1994 is just the wide body kit. So if you just want to put the fender flares on and you already have an SRT, just go ahead and order vz101994. But anyways, let's go ahead and get into this. Now, what this kit should come with is a front bumper and a rear bumper. So let's go ahead and pull those out now. So right here, we have our rear bumper. Now all of these parts are in our gloss black finish, as you can see here. Now if we flip it around to the other side, you'll be able to see all the clips and your sensor inserts on the inside, on this side as well. So this here is for your control module for all your sensors, and then you'll have your sensor mounting points. And then along the entire bottom edge are your snap-in clips, which should simply snap into the car itself for install. And then if we look at the top here, you will need your OEM rear shelf here, which is just the trim piece on your Jeep Grand Cherokee. Now if we go ahead and set this one aside, we can go ahead and pull out the front bumper. Now, whenever we ship these out to you guys, this is how they'll come. Now we can get a look at our front bumper. And you'll see where the grill goes. And with this kit, we have two different options of grills for you whenever we send it to you. And then if we look at the back here, you'll be able to see your sensor mounting points, as well as all the tabs for your grills on each side. And then all your tabs for actually installing it and snapping the bumper in place onto the car. Now let's get one more look at the front. And here you'll see exactly where you'll install your splash guard and then install your lip. Now if we set this aside, we can get into the side skirts for the theme of the wide body. Now we can get a better look at the side skirts and how they're installed. You'll have the top running tabs, which simply snap into place. And then you'll have your bottom brackets, which you'll need your OEM tabs for to secure them in place. And then if we set these aside, we can go ahead and start getting into the accessories for all of these parts, which includes the grills, as well as several of the other parts that you'll need, like brackets, and so on and so forth. Now these are the brackets for your lights, as well as one of the front grills. Now this kit is compatible with your lane departure sensor, which is this big cutout here. And if we look at the back here, you'll see it has the same tabs for installing. And we also include another grill for those who don't have the lane departure sensor. And here's the other grill without the lane departure sensor cutout. It's exactly like the other one, just without the cutout in the middle. Then we can go ahead and start getting into the other grill pieces. Now these are the bottom grill pieces for the front bumper, and those will go on each side of the front bumper. Then next, we'll have the front grille, which looks really nice whenever fully assembled. It'll have gloss black trim all the way around the edge once fully assembled. And if you want to go check out our install video on this kit, it's up on our YouTube channel at vicrez.com, where you can see the full build of this kit. Then inside, you'll also have some splash guards, which will go underneath the front bumper. Then here's your front grille trim, which should simply snap into place on the front grille. And then, as you guys can see here, this is where the trim, the gloss black trim, would end up snapping into place. Then we also have the fenders in here. And since this is the conversion kit, these are not as pronounced as the wide body fenders, which you'll need vz101924 or vz101994 without the lip. Then next, we'll have the brackets for each of those fenders. And if I pull one of these out, you'll see how they'll snap in with each of these tabs here. And then this will actually mount to the inside of your wheel liner. Then you can go ahead and start installing your fender flares. And then here we have the bottom splash guard for your front bumper. Then last but not least will be your rear diffuser for your rear bumper, which will be one of the bigger parts of this kit besides the front bumper and the rear bumper. And which we try to keep these wrapped as to not scratch them or to leave any damage on them, because the gloss on them is really prone to scratching when inside the box. And as you guys can see here, it has a spot for your flasher indicators. And then if we flip it around to the back here, you'll be able to see how you'll install them. They'll simply just snap into place, along with the rest of these tabs here will snap into place along the back of your rear bumper. And that's pretty much it for this kit, guys. If you want to see the install on this kit, please go check out our YouTube channel at vicrez.com. And if you want to see more videos just like this one, please make sure to like and subscribe for more. Peace.